Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel, and this is Mr. Z. As you can see that I'm wearing a coat today. It's pretty cold outside, Jesus. But anyway, I'm gonna share a few tips that'll make you sound like a British. You ready? Here we go. Tip 1. Do not read the retroflex R. We all know that Americans tend to pronounce the R's pretty often. For instance, far, car, guitar, word, curse, shirt, door, core. But in British accent, it should be like this: far, car, guitar, word, curse, shirt, door, core. Tip 2. The letter T sound. In American accent, the T changes into a soft D. We call it flap T between two vowels like city, letter, water, better. In British, it is clearly pronounced as T, city, letter, water, better. Or sometimes it becomes a glottal T and sounds like this: city, letter, water, better. Tip 3. The S sound. It's super common in American accent. Words like class, glass, ask, mask, all pronounced ah in British. Class, glass, ask, mask. Tip 4. The ah sound. This distinguishes British from American in a pretty obvious way. Americans say it more like an ah, as in hot, God, fox, dog, pot. British say these words like hot, God, fox, dog, pot. Tip 5. Let's not forget the vocabularies. Words are not used the same in many cases. If you're trying to speak a British tongue while still using American words, or vice versa, that'll be strange. I'll give you a few examples. Trash, that's the American word. In British, it is rubbish. Elevator, lift, pants, trousers, cookie, biscuit, closet, wardrobe, apartment, flat. Okay, these are just some of the secrets that I shared today. Of course, there are many other small tricks or details that I didn't dive in today. Probably I'll teach you in the future. Let's combine these tips together and practice. Oh my god, the water is damn hot. I can't drink it, sir. Pass me that cookie and the tea, please. Jesus, I better go to work now. Oh my god, the water is bloody hot. I can't drink it. Sir, pass me the biscuit and the tea, please. Bloody hell, I got to go to work. Okay, lastly, I just want to say this. There's no right or wrong about either accent. It's totally personal preference. Some enjoy the British accent, then go with it. Some like the American. Good, but don't say that one is better than another. It's just a language. Accent is part of it. You gotta know how to use it properly, and that's the key. So, I guess that's it for today. If you like my content, don't forget to hit the like button and follow me. I mean, subscribe. So, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.